Hey, what's up folks? Captain Dave here. We're going to do some topwater action today on Elephant Butte Lake. Let's see how it goes. Morning folks, Captain Dave here. Ready to tear up these white bass. They're boiling like crazy. It's a beautiful morning. Let's see if we get some topwater action here. Come on, fishy, fishy. They're hitting it. There you go, got one. Little guy. We're using the whopper plopper. How many fish have you caught this morning so far?
Oh, probably like 6 or 7 already.
Already, huh? Man, they're getting it right there, guys. Get the pliers on this fish real quick, folks. Good cast. Let's see if we get fish on that cast. There you go.
Lucky day.
Right? Thanks for booking with me. Check it out. Beautiful morning. Got another one. Oh, had one. I got another one. Little guy. Boom! That's a good fish. Heck yeah. Bring him right up here, huh? Okay, that's good. Can you hold this for me? Nice fish, huh?
It's a good one. Look at all those we caught this morning in like 10 minutes.
Hey. Right on. Oops, sorry, my hand's in the way. We're still getting it like crazy right here. Bunch of fish. Oop. Fish on, double up.
Do you watch, yeah, Wicked Tuna? Yeah, so do I. I love that show. Definitely, it's one of my favorites.
Let me see what you guys got. Oh, you got me.
I got a real bad infection whenever I was a kid. I got stuck real good by catfish. What do you think? Even with throwing back.
What do you want to do?
We'll put it back.
That's what we're catching, folks.
Ooh, that's a pretty good hit.
Yeah, good hit.
You got a winner there?
Doing a lot of topwater action today, folks. Catching a bunch of fish. There it is. Oh. There you go. Oh. Fish on, huh? Seagulls, birds are flying, fish are jumping. Every cast. It's been a phenomenal morning. Little fish. Here you go, boss. Look at all those seagulls, guys. Fish on.
There you go, baby.
Come on, boss, you get one. All right, double hookup, guys. That's a good one. Keep it over. Keep your rod over here. Boom. Birds are working, fish are biting. Life doesn't get much better than this, huh?
Oh, it doesn't.
Look at that fish, guys.
Oh, I hooked him in the belly.
Let's get this one off him. Yeah, there it is. Boom.
Poor guy. There's keeper.
Nice one.
Yeah.
Let me see your fish. There's a nice fish.
Oh yeah.
Hey folks, we're here at the marina. We're gonna do some cleaning. I just want to show you guys today's catch. We kept 45 nice big fat ones. Did you guys have fun today?
Oh, I had a blast.
We had a great time.
Awesome.
Fishing was easy with you.
Awesome. Give me a call. Dave's Fishing Guide Service 575-835-8602. Captain Dave.